Hi, this is Ron and Michelle Eakins with Gourmet Kitchen Works. We're here today to introduce you to the new line of seasoning products that Gifu just came out with for 2020. It's a wide variety of different products related to seasoning, but primarily featuring the new Xplosion, which is salt and pepper mills. And they're different than anything else on the market, primarily due to the shape and construction of the double conical burr grinder. It's so much different that it's 6 times more efficient than anything else on the market today. And we're going to demonstrate that here in just a second. Here's the new pepper mill. You can see that it has 16 different settings from very coarse to very fine. Michelle's going to demonstrate the efficiency of it by just turning it one time, and you can see how much comes out. Okay, now turn it a few more times. And that's very fine. Okay, now she's going to turn it to the coarser setting, and we can see that. Okay, now turn it to the highest coarseness. So it has an anti-fingerprint base.
20-year guarantee.
With a 20-year guarantee.
So the same pepper mill is also a salt mill. So it works just the same. You just won't be able to see it quite as well because it's a white plate.
You can see it just explodes out of there.
You can see it just comes out so nicely. So it comes in black, which is anti-fingerprint. It comes in the silver. It comes in 3 different sizes in both of the colors. And you can also choose to have a base to go with it. There's a large base that would fit for the large ones. And you can also intermix with the salt pot. I could do a lot of cooking, so I have 2 different kinds of salt, and so I use the medium base that holds both of these. But you can mix and match, but you would need the bigger base if you're using the bigger salt and pepper. Okay, we also have, let me show you. Then we also have for the table, a smaller set that has this little carrier. And then Gifu also has a similar grinder, but with a different grinding mechanism. So this one is laser cut. So this is for cutting dried peppers. So you can see it's super easy to fill. You just put them right in there. And then you can have freshly ground peppers, and it smells so delicious.
And here is a picture of the mechanism. You can see it has 2 different shapes. The first one crushes it, and then the bottom part of it will get it into the fineness that's necessary. Now, it's called the Cyclone, and here's a picture of what it looks like inside. And that has been patented. It's very unique.
Okay, so the next thing is the spice and herb shakers. So they come with already a label on here that you can write on. Also has an additional sheet with more labels. So you can put things that you might get in bulk at we have a health food store that has, like, this is lavender. So you can have the whole thing coming out, or you can have it closed off, or you can have it sprinkled out. This is lavender, so I would want to take the lid off. This one is cinnamon, and so you can just shake it out. So there's that one. Then we have lots of mortar and pestles. Here are 2 examples, a stone one, and then this more beautiful, larger one. Okay, so this isn't new, but in case you aren't familiar with it, this is the Aromatico, which is easily filled. Right here, you can just put the fennel in there, or whatever spice you're going to grind, and then grind it, and then it's collected on this very bottom part, and you can see that's also the ceramic grinder. And so that's the Aromatico spice mill. This also very popular because it's small and it's grinder. Instead of just bringing already ground pepper that has no flavor, you take the portable with you and you can grind it yourself. So this is also a very popular item. This is new this year. So one side pepper, one side salt. Ceramic grinder, the same ceramic grinder as the Aromatico. It's brand new. And now we have some pepper mills.
Just add to the line to give a little more depth
Yeah.
to the product line.
So
these are wood.
these
and
are
these
wood.
are standard ceramic burr mechanism.
And so
grinding
you could
mechanism.
have both salt and pepper that are this color, this height. They're just light wood, dark wood.
Yeah.
And the same thing here. And these come with an additional S or P that you can interchange. Comes with an additional S that you can switch it out depending on, so you know what is inside. So that's very clever. The same for the smaller one. So those are the pepper mills, and that could be used for salt. And then of course this one that we had before.